3 chemical sprays for killing flies are tested, and the percentage of flies killed is recorded as follows. For brand A, 72, 65, 67, 75, 62, 73. For brand B, 55, 59, 68, 70, 53, and 50. For brand C, 64, 74, 61, 58, 51, and 69. In this tutorial, I'm going to draw box plots for these brands. The command boxplot of X creates a boxplot of the data in X. If X is a vector, boxplot creates one box. If X is a matrix, boxplot plots one box for each column of X. Click on Code. I will start by entering this data as vectors. I'll call the first one A is equal to, open brackets, 72, 65, 67, 75, 62, and 73. Press the return key. B is equal to, open brackets, 55, 59, 68, 70, 53, and 50. Press the return key. For brand C is equal to, open brackets, 64, 74, 61, 58, 51, and 69. Click on Run to see the vectors. Press the return key. To create the box plot of A, the command is boxplot, open parenthesis A. This command is only available when you've installed the Statistics and Machine Learning Toolbox. Boxplot, open parenthesis A. Click on Run to see the box plot. As you can see from the vector, the minimum value is 62. 62 lies here. The maximum value is 75, which is here. These values are the percentiles. This is the 25th percentile, and this is the 75th percentile. The one marked in red is the median. If you have an outlier in the data, then it will be plotted individually using a plus sign. I will just illustrate this by changing this value. If, for instance, this 73 was by mistake entered as 173, click on Run. We're going to look at the box plot. The outlier is plotted here as a plus, and it's far away from the other data. This can show that there could be a mistake in the data. Press the return key. Now I'm just going back to correct my data. Click on Run. This is the box plot of A. Moving on to create the other two box plots. Box plot, open parenthesis, B. Click on Run. For B, we have the minimum value here, the maximum value, the 25th percentile, the 75th percentile, and the median here. Press the return key. Box plot of C. Click on Run. This is the minimum value, which is 51. The maximum value is 74. The 25th percentile, the 75th percentile, and the median. In these three box plots, I have no outliers. Press the return key. Now to create a plot with all three box plots, I am going to create a matrix which I will call A, which will have these entries. Since these entries are row vectors, I am going to transpose them so that I have column vectors. I will call the matrix A, which is equal to, I am going to transpose A. A transpose would be A single quote, space, B, single quote to have the transpose of B, and finally C with a single quote to have the transpose of C. Click on Run to see the matrix. As you can see, these entries have been transposed and now they are column vectors. This is for brand A, brand B, and brand C. If X is a matrix, the command boxplot will plot one box for each column of X. So I'm going on to write the command boxplot of A. Click on Run. As you can see, all three box plots have been plotted on one plot. Thank you for watching.